Already with one coat, it's looking good. All right, Celica's loaded up behind the $800 Yukon. She's ready. She's looking good. So we got the stickers taken off of this side. I painted that bottom rocker. It actually looks pretty good. Got the sticker off the top. The sticker's still on the other side, but I thought it would look cool for some photos. But she's ready to rock at SCCA tomorrow. So I'm just now getting everything final loaded. I'm super happy with how far the Celica's come along since I got it. So hopefully today I can see what else I guess I need to fix, because you know, when you get a car like this, I mean, it hasn't been ran in years, and so you know, doing the major things like fuel pump, like battery, you know, tires, things like that is all well and good, but I don't know if these shocks, you know, are shot, or you know, if there's something wrong with the engine. Like, I'd never changed plugs. I changed the O2 sensor yesterday, never did plugs. So today is like the preliminary testing of what needs to be done to get this car ready for other people to race. So I have this autocross this week, or today, and then in a couple of weeks I'm actually taking it to a dirt autocross. It's a rally cross, you know, quote unquote, but it's mainly just a flat dirt parking lot that they set up cones in and do an autocross. So hopefully today I can root this thing at the SCCA autocross and come home with a podium finish. Who knows? All right, got the car unloaded. Time to head up, I think, to registration, and then tech should be happening somewhere over there sometime soon. Hi, Shanna. All right, so got it all teched in, bedded the brakes, registered, did my course walk. So now everything is set to go. I'm in, I think, heat 2, or no, yeah, I run in heat 2 and then work in heat 4 to shaggy cones. So, but the Celica is definitely ready. The Pro Car seat is looking great in there. I just had to throw some old G-force belts in it, but I think she's ready to rip. So I'm about to get ready to go out for my heat. And I'm nervous. You know, it's the first time running this car, so I'm sure it has a lot of kinks I'll have to figure out, but Shanna's here. You're here to support me? So, about to go out. I'm really excited about this Pro Car seat. It is surprisingly really comfy, but the only thing that sucks is that the cage is really high up, and so I already hit my head. So with a helmet, I'll be in here like that, but it's something that I can drive around. I mean, driver comfortability is big for me, but it is what it is when I'm in a little Toyota Celica. So I'm excited, nervous, should be fun. Parking brake.
Come on, babe. For a car that hasn't been raced in 20 years, this thing is
actually doing pretty good. The 205 50 15 Falcons are actually handling the heat and the car pretty well. The fronts just keep getting really hot. I mean, it is a front wheel drive car and there is a lot of off-camber turns in this where it's trying to understeer, but the car is doing really good. It makes 0 power compared to anything else I've driven, but overall I'm actually pleasantly surprised, and I'm excited to play with the shock adjustments probably later this week or next week, or actually sorry, in 2 weeks, right before we go take it on dirt out at Ennis for a rallycross event. So overall, the car's doing really well. I think right now sitting second in class out of 2 people, 2 seconds behind the guy who's in a brand new Focus RS, really cool car. But can't be mad about it. He's doing good.
Sam Graff, Mr. Wine, Houston.
So after finishing that autocross, I had a ton of fun. You know, it was a great day. I learned a lot about the car, and now it is time to get it prepared for the rallycross for Shanna and I to both drive it. So I'm gonna get on to finishing the cage and making the seat brackets. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and look forward to the next one of taking this thing out onto dirt and learning more about it.